So the first topic is what is subnetting? So subnetting is a technique used in computer networks to divide a large IP network into smaller, more efficient subnetworks, that is subnets. It helps optimize IP address allocation, reduce network congestion, and enhance security by isolating different sections of a network. Each subnet operates independently with its own range of IP addresses and subnet mask defining the network and host portions. By limiting broadcast traffic and improving routing efficiency, subnetting is essential for managing large-scale networks such as corporate infrastructures, ISPs, and data centers. It also plays a crucial role in ensuring efficient use of IPv4 addresses and structuring IPv6 networks for better organization and scalability. The next topic here we have is the fundamentals of subnetting. So basically, subnetting fundamentals revolve around understanding how an IP address is structured and how subnetting masks help divide networks. So an IP address consists of two parts. First is the network ID, which identifies the subnet, and the host ID, which specifies individual devices within that subnet. A subnet mask determines a boundary between these two parts, defining how many bits are allocated to the network and how many remain for hosts. For example, in 192.168.1.0/24, the dash 24 indicates that the first 24 bits represent the network, leaving 8 bits for the host, allowing up to 256 IPs, including reserved address for network and broadcast. Subnetting also introduces CIDR, which means classless interdomain routing, which allows flexible allocation of IP addresses by borrowing bits from the host portion to create more subnets as needed, optimizing network structure and performances. So the next topic here we have is how subnetting works. So first we have the subnet mask, which defines how an IP address is split into network and host portions. Here we have a simple example. The next is how to calculate the subnet. So the number of subnets is equal to 2 raised to n, where n is borrowed bits from the host, and number of host per subnet is 2 raised to h minus 2, where h is remaining host bits. So again we have a simple example here. By applying this formula, we get the number of subnets as 4, which includes 64 hosts per subnet. So in this example, this is a subnet diagram illustrating how 192.168.1.0/24 network is divided into 4/26 subnets for different departments like admin, sales, IT, and HR, when the network is split for an organization. So the next slide here is importance of subnetting. So subnetting offers several advantages in network management by enhancing efficiency, security, and scalability. By dividing a large network into small subnets, it reduces broadcast traffic, preventing network congestion, and improving overall performance. It also implements IP address utilization, ensuring that address space is not wasted, especially in IPv4 networks. Subnetting enhances security by isolating different sections of a network, restricting unauthorized access between subnets. Additionally, it improves routing efficiency as smaller routing tables result in faster data transmission and reduced processing overhead. In large-scale networks like corporate offices, ISPs, and data centers, subnetting provides better control and management, making it easier to troubleshoot network issues and implement policies for different departments or user groups. The next topic is subnetting in real world scenarios. So, subnetting plays a crucial role in real world networking scenarios by improving efficiency, security, and manageability. In corporate networks, different departments such as HR, IT, and finance are assigned separate subnets to optimize resource allocation and restrict access to sensitive data. Internet service providers (ISPs) use subnetting to allocate IP addresses blocks to customers, ensuring efficient address distribution. In data centers and cloud environments, subnetting helps segment servers and services, improving security and load balances. So, these were some real world examples for subnetting.